Did you know that when you eat can be just as important as what you eat? While eating healthy is crucial, certain foods, even nutritious ones, can cause problems when consumed at night. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 healthy foods you should avoid during dinner, along with some delicious alternatives that are perfect for your evening meal. Now you might be thinking, how can healthy foods be harmful? The reality is, our bodies process foods differently at different times of the day, and certain foods that are beneficial during the day can cause digestive issues, poor sleep, and even weight gain if eaten at dinner. Let's get to these 5 foods. Starting off with number 5 on our list, leafy greens. Now, don't get me wrong. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with nutrients. They're fantastic for your health, especially when it comes to getting your daily dose of iron and fiber. But here's the catch. These greens can be difficult to digest, especially at night when your digestive system slows down. Eating a big leafy salad for dinner might sound like a healthy choice, but it can actually lead to bloating, gas, and discomfort, making it harder for you to get a good night's sleep. Instead, try incorporating these greens into your lunch or an early dinner, or better yet, opt for cooked versions as they're easier on your stomach. For your evening meal, consider replacing leafy greens with lighter veggies like zucchini or carrots, which are easier to digest and won't cause any nighttime discomfort. Coming in at number 4 are raw vegetables. Similar to leafy greens, raw vegetables can be hard on your digestive system when eaten at dinner. They require a lot of digestive energy, which your body might not be able to muster up at the end of the day. This can lead to issues like bloating and indigestion. If you're used to having a raw veggie platter or a salad for dinner, try switching it up with some cooked vegetables instead. Cooking breaks down the fiber in vegetables, making them easier to digest while still providing you with essential nutrients. Steamed broccoli, roasted bell peppers, or sautéed green beans are all excellent alternatives that won't weigh you down before bed. At number 3, we have beans and lentils. Now, beans and lentils are nutritional powerhouses, loaded with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. They're a staple in many vegetarian diets, and for good reason. But when it comes to dinner, they can be a bit too much for your digestive system to handle. The high fiber content in beans and lentils can cause bloating and gas, especially if eaten in large quantities or late at night. Instead of having a heavy bean stew or lentil curry for dinner, try opting for a lighter protein source like tofu or paneer. You can also include small amounts of beans or lentils in a soup or stew, where they're combined with other easily digestible ingredients. This way, you get the nutritional benefits without overwhelming your digestive system. Next up at number 2 is curd, or yogurt. Yogurt is often touted as a health food, and it certainly has its benefits, especially for gut health. However, according to Ayurveda, consuming yogurt in the evening can be problematic. Yogurt is cooling in nature and can increase mucus production in the body, which might lead to issues like congestion or a sore throat if eaten at night. If you're craving something creamy for dinner, try replacing yogurt with a spiced buttermilk or a warm glass of turmeric milk. These alternatives provide similar health benefits without the potential drawbacks of eating yogurt in the evening. Plus, they can be incredibly soothing and help you wind down before bed. Finally, at number 1, we have fruits. Now, this might come as a surprise because fruits are often considered one of the healthiest food groups. They're packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, making them a great choice during the day. But eating fruits, especially raw ones, at dinner can cause digestive discomfort. Fruits like bananas, melons, and citrus are high in natural sugars and can be difficult to digest when your body is winding down for the night. Instead of having a fruit salad for dinner, consider enjoying your fruits earlier in the day when your digestive fire is stronger. If you still want a sweet treat in the evening, go for something like a baked apple with cinnamon or a small serving of dates. Both are warming and easier on your stomach. So there you have it, 5 healthy foods that you should avoid during dinner, and some better alternatives to keep your evenings light and your digestion smooth. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but when you eat it, It can make all the difference in your overall health.